Hi everyone. Today we will make a bed rail for Pia's bed. Okay. So we have just opened up this bed rail, which is from the Regalo swing down bed rail. We have ordered this from Amazon. These are the different parts which have come with this, and we have just arranged them like this. So this is, as you can see from the top view, this is like a bed rail, right? This which will be coming up on the bed, and it will be like with the elevation to protect the child from falling, right? So we have just arranged them, and then we have not put down the each and every piece into each other, which we will do in just a few moments. Okay.
We are going to join this together. Press it and then join it. It joins like this.
Okay, yeah, that's nice.
And this is a silver connector, so we can fix this together.
So now we will just join each of these parts together like this. Like it's just simple, like the same step. We just need to repeat. There will be a tuck sound with each step that you do. Like similarly here as well. And we should put both of these together, because if you put one of them, then the other might not go in. So both of these parts are going in properly. See, we see a tuck sound, and then we see all the buttons coming out of the hole. So that's when we will get a nice frame like this. And then now the next step would be to put on the cover for this. So this is the cover that we have, and this should come nicely on top of this, exactly matching the size. So let's see if it is matching the size exactly. So yeah, it is matching. So we just need to put the cover on this now. So let me open this. Oh, there is a nice zip that is there. So we just need to put this inside this zip. And then we need to unzip this and then again zip the cover on top of the frame skeleton of this. Okay, so now this cover is going in slightly, gradually on this skeleton, and then we can see this is coming up nicely. And once it is till this point, then we can just do the zipping. Wow, this is fitting nicely. And then we can just kind of do the cover like this. So now we have this nice and good, and now we will try and put these parts on this. These are the two parts which we will have to figure out on how to put them. And then so similarly for these, like it's quite simple. There are like holes here, like as you can see, this is a hole, and the same silver button here at the end. There's a silver button here. So we just need to put this in, and this part will actually go inside the bed. So we can just put it like this. Right? So you can hear a nice tuck sound. And then this one as well will go like this. Nice tuck sound. So now we are on the bed. We can just, as you can see, we need to place it like this. And these will go, and the mattress will come on top of this. And these are the anchors which we need to place it on either side of the bed to kind of make it more stable for more security. And then we can pull this straps out to make it more tight, right? And then the best part about this is that these are the hooks here which we can open and close, and then this can just roll like this, like this. It will just open up like this. So let's place a mattress on this, and then after that it should be complete. Okay, so now we have put down the mattress and everything, and Pia is on her bed now. Pia, do you think you will fall down now while you are sleeping at the night? Just try it. Try rolling over to this side. On this side, yeah. Full roll over. Are you falling? Okay, I think she is happy. She is not falling down. So this is really safe and secure for the baby and toddlers. And then let's see how Pia is sleeping later on.
And I am on my bed now. And now I'm going to light off the light. And I'm going to sleep with my mom or dad.
No. You are going to sleep with your soft toys, with your Mickey and with your puppy, okay? Okay then, Pia. Good night. Have a safe and sweet dreams. Good night. I'm switching off the light. Okay, close your eyes. Bye-bye. Okay, Pia is asleep now. Good night.